Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trades, what I did today, and also what are the trades what me and my client took today, and what are the profit we were able to make. And also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. And also I'll be telling you today from the opening of the market how the market performed, and on what logic I picked the stocks and what trades we took. So I'll be showing you all these things, and also I'll be sharing you some of the tricks and tips in this video also. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, the time exactly now it's 9 o'clock and the pre-open market session has been started. So every day from 9 o'clock to 9:07 a.m. so there will be a pre-open market session. So as you can see, the Nifty is going up. It's almost 0.63 up today at the opening itself. I mean at the pre-open market. So this is the time when the stock opening price will get decided. Okay. Yeah, so you can check the market depth of any stock. So there will be some of the bids and offers will be going on. So at around 9:07 you'll get the opening price decided. Okay, so there will be a huge difference at this time. Okay, so as you can see here, at the bid 375 and at the offer it's 314 on Tata Steel. So there will be a huge difference and gap in these prices. Okay, this is at pre-opening, so still the pre-open session is going on. So as you can see, the time is still exactly 9 o'clock now, so 9:02. So we'll see how the market performs today and what are the trades we'll take today. So now it's almost 1.08% up. Okay, so almost gap up we are expecting now. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if the market gaps up it will continue to go in upper range itself. Sometime it will gap up and come down also, or it will continue to go upside. So we'll see how the market will behave today and what trades I can trade today, and I'll be showing you my live trades also today. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from now. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade what we took. So guys, as you can see, the time is now almost 9:35 a.m. Okay, so it's almost like 15 to 20 minutes after the market is opened. So I did a short selling trade on ITC. Okay, so I shorted it around 197.50, and as you guys can see, the stock is still continuing to fall down, but I made my profit and I got exited. Okay, so I made about 7,410 rupees profit, as you guys can see. So I did a short selling around 197.50, and this was the call what it was given to my client also. Even my clients has booked the profit on this trade. So this is the first trade what I took on ITC sell, and as you guys can see, I said that market which was opening at gap up, again it's at minus now. Okay, so this is what happens. So this is about market analysis. Okay, so you need to understand how the market is performing, how it is behaving. Okay, so as you guys can see here, it is a big downside. Okay, so it went up in the morning but it couldn't sustain, and again the market started falling down, and even now as you guys can see, the nifty is still continuing to fall down. So at the pre-open it was almost like 0.6% up, and now it's coming down. Okay, so this is how the market is, and you guys have to be careful and analysis before you take a trade. And yes, ITC is still continuing to fall down. So let's check the market depth how it is. So yes, it's more than, like, it's double. As you can see, sellers are double than the buyers, so I guess it will continue to fall down, but anyways it's fine. I made a profit on my ITC trade, as you guys can see, and if I take a second trade I shall be doing that live in this video. So these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of ITC. So now let me show you my live trade what I took on SBIN. So guys, just for the observing purpose, we can watch HDFC Bank now. So it's currently it's at 1086 1087. So from here I am assuming this will fall almost like 10 rupees. Okay, so that is at 1077, it might go till there. So you can just observe now. Okay, so I'm not going to take a trade on HDFC as of now, so I will take trade on other stock, but right now I'm guessing that this stock will fall. 81 as of now, so I just predicted it. Okay, so when we saw it was at 1087 or 1088, so I said at that time that this stock will go down like almost 1%. So yes, it's almost done. So this is just an observation what I did, and I didn't take trade on HDFC Bank because I'm looking for the other stocks. So guys, now I've just bought SBIN around 188.60. So I'm keeping like 0.5% target, that is 189.10 is my target. So let me just draw the line for my target. As you guys can see, it's at 188.90 now, so almost near to my target. So guys, yes, the target is achieved now, so 189.1015, and yes, it's continuing to go up. So guys, it's fine, my target is achieved in this on SBI and trade. So guys, these are the two trades what I did, that is on ITC and SBIN, and I was able to book this profit today on these two trades. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all this logics about picking this kind of stocks or making this kind of profit, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. Okay. So guys, and also as I predicted about HDFC Bank, even that stock fell. The low made is 1078, so almost 10 rupee has been done, but the movement was very less. So anyways, it's fine. I didn't trade on HDFC Bank, so as I said you, I was just observing it. Okay, so we were able to book our profit on ITC and SBIN. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit like this and want to make a good profits in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.